Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a project in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app. And here it opens up in the edit menu where we have the projects. From here, we have multiple projects. We just tap on the three dots next to the project that we want to delete. This, and then we can just tap on delete, and then the app is going to be deleted. The only problem is that after we have deleted a project, there is no way to get it back, so that's minus. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.